Have you been trading boom and crash for a very long time now and you are not getting it right? Then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you will trade candlestick successfully without no spike. So my name is BBFS Trading Strategy. If you are new to this channel and you know you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, YouTube will notify you to watch. So guys, let's dive in. Let me show you the strategy that you use to take candlesticks in the market without no spike. So guys, as you can see this thing, we are going to use two indicators. To take candlestick in the market, you need indicators. Indicators helps. So I'm going to show you particular two indicators that can help you take candlestick successfully in the market with no spike. So let's add our indicator before we dive in to the main business. So let's go to our indicator. Okay, guys, the indicator is here. We have our moving average and fractals. But in this video, we are not using fractals. We are only using the moving averages and accelerator, oscillator, and average direction movement index. That is what we are going to use in this strategy. So let me show you the indicators. The first one is moving average, which I've been using all my trading life. I haven't changed anything yet. So here is our period 200 shift 0 method exponential apply to close. Then level none, time frame all. Then here now, guys, you need to put your style as you want. You can click it, you add it as you want. Then you save. That is the number one moving average. Number two moving average here is period 20 shift 0 method exponential apply to close. Then level, we don't have level for the moving average because this is our main chart indicator. So the time frame, you can add it to all time frame because you can use any time frame. In this case, we are using 1 minute time frame. Then your style, choose any color of your choice. And if you know the kind boldness you want, you can drag it to the boldness that you want. Okay, you save it. Then the third moving average here now is our period 10. Shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Level still none. Then your style should be any style, any color that you like. You add it to identify the line. Then you save it. So the next indicator we are going to use for this strategy is accelerator. Then we have to open it, and this is a default settings. You can only put your style the way you want it. You can style it the way you want it, but in this case now is at the default level. Then you save. The last indicator here is average directional movement index. Average directional movement index. So guys, let's open it. Here is our period 14, level none, time frame all, then style any color of your choice. Any color of your choice, you put it in your style. Plus D1, DI, minus DI. Guys, then you save the indicator. So this is the indicator we are going to use for this strategy. Okay, as you can see this place now, guys, this long candlestick that you saw here now, are you seeing this particular long candlestick that I see here? Good. For you to take this candlestick successfully without no spike, this is not the right time to take it. But I will show you the reason why you will take in this particular downtrend now. Okay, this is the reason our ADX shows us oversold in this place. In this place, it shows us oversold in there. So now, what you will do now is to wait for your accelerator to break the zero line. Let me show you guys. To break the zero line here. When it breaks the zero line, you watch your ADS. You make sure that the green crossed above the orange line. When the green cross above the orange line and your AC accelerator is above the zero line, you can take your 10 candlesticks successfully with no spike. 10 candlestick with no spike. Let me show you guys another example in this. Don't risk if you don't have enough to risk. Instead, if you want to risk when the crash is trending for buy. You now go for buy. If it is selling, you avoid the market. Okay, let's see this one now. The market is buying here. Okay, is the market not buying here? The market is buying. Let me show you another secret that you can trade your candlestick in crash market. So guys, as you can see here now, let me show you. Do you see this place? Do you see this place? Good. Here indicates another movement of buy. But the condition is this. You have to wait for your accelerator above. And you see, our accelerator is below the zero level. Yes, indicating another buy. But you have to wait and make sure that the market stops selling before you enter the buy market. And how do you do that? You wait for your accelerator to go above the zero level. When your accelerator is above the zero level, then you enter. And when you enter, make sure you pick 10 candlestick. As you can see, let's see this market now. Do you see here now? Sorry, let's go back. Do you see this place now? If you take your candlestick somewhere here, you must take your 10 candlestick and you will leave the market. This strategy is very simple, guys. Very, very simple. If you follow the rules, if you know that your capital is not enough to wage any spike that will come, then you wait for the trend. Don't enter when the market is selling. Enter when the market is buying. You make sure that your moving average, the red for buying, is above the blue line. When the red is above the blue line, it shows a buy in 1 minute time frame. Okay, in this case, we are using one minute time frame. As you can see this one too. Are you seeing it here? Good. Our moving average crossed each other for here. The first spike come in here. Are you seeing it? And our ADX is moving above. The green is moving up, not coming down any longer. And our orange is going down. Are you seeing the orange is going down? Then you wait for your accelerator. That is where the problem is. Make sure you wait. Don't rush in. Because if you rush in, this market might rush you out because the spike might continue going. But when you wait for your accelerator to go above the zero level, then you enter. You will pick your 10 candlesticks successfully without no spike. Guys, this strategy is very simple. Very, very simple. Let me show you for boom. Let's go for boom. Let's go for boom 1000. Let me show you again. Guys, let's wait. So guys, here is our boom 1000. As you can see, are you seeing our boom 1000? If you want to sell this market, we are not after spike now, we are after the candlestick. Guys, as you can see this place is selling. Let's zoom it. Let's zoom it so that we can see it clearly. This place now, it is selling here, you know. So guys, it spiked up here. It spiked up here, okay. And here our ADS orange is going up and our green is going down. Then the next thing you have to wait is your accelerator to go below the zero level. That's the difference between boom and crash. Crash is going above while boom is going below. So this boom now, when the accelerator is below, then you pick 10 candlestick, you leave the market. That is very simple for this strategy. So guys, I think I will end this video here. If you know that you learned something from this strategy, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will push it for others to learn also. So see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.